the day before Valentine's Day. And to be completely honest, we brought our vlog camera. We just got ready for the day and we headed out, and I was like, I don't really feel like vlogging today. Like my bangs, I'm having a day. My bangs are not looking good. They're not cooperating. Today we wanted to take a cute Valentine's Day picture. And so I wanted to show you guys like behind the scenes, but to be completely honest, I feel like I'm totally at a creative loss right now. We're on our way to Party City right now, so we're gonna see if they have any like cute props that I could use, and maybe like it'll get my creative juices flowing. I just want you to know that I definitely get in creative ruts, and today is one of them. Leif, what are your thoughts on everything?
My thoughts, Jaci's a creative genius, but when it's her job to like think of something creative every single day, like it's hard to do that every single day, don't you think?
Yeah.
And every once in a while, like I'll throw in like an idea of what to do for a shoot, but today I don't have an idea, so I can't help you out.
And also, this is not like life or death. Like just the fact that I don't have a cute Valentine's Day idea, totally fine. Just a bummer because I wanted to do something cute and I just can't think of anything. So hopefully when we go to Party City,
just take a picture of your mom. That's cute.
I'm growing out my bangs right now, and they're like at probably the most awkward length. I'm just trying to like not look like Elvis Presley right now.
We're looking for some suckers, and we came across these.
For reference of how big, wait, this one's the biggest one.
Yeah, a blow pop. Is there just like a giant
I don't know.
piece of bubble gum in there?
What the
How many licks does it take to get to the center of this Tootsie Roll Pop?
So I want to find like a heart sucker like this kind of. This is a random photo shoot that I found on Pinterest, but like they have these, but
I need a heart-shaped.
I want a heart one, and I want it to be like big. Okay, so we got some conversation hearts, and we got like those little suckers that I think I showed you. Got a pink sucker and a red one as well. So we're gonna, oh, and we also got some little like heart confetti things. So we're gonna see what we can make of them. Okay, behind the scenes, we got some sweet tarts, and I'm gonna try and attempt to throw them up, and we'll see if we can get a cute picture.
Ready. So the conversation heart idea didn't work. They're kind of like too clumped when she would throw them up in the air. We wanted them to kind of cover the whole screen. So now we are sitting here next to a wall, and we have these like little plastic hearts or whatever, and we put a few of them on Jaci's cute little cheek. We're in the direct sunlight, and we're just hoping to get something cool out of this. So far it looks pretty cool, don't you think?
I like it a lot.
So I'm using Jaci's heart purse, and it has like metal right here, and I'm putting it in front of the lens, and it like has a little shimmer sometimes.
So, if you guys noticed, I had a little outfit change. I got this sweater from H&M. I don't actually, what did you say this means again?
It says après-ski, and it is the activities and entertainment after a day full of skiing.
So that's what I'm representing right now. Perfect, because the Olympics are on. But Leif is the true MVP, holding up his flash because the lighting is really bad in here. We're in a parking garage. But anyway, we just got done taking some pictures, and I actually think they turned out really cute. So I'm excited to show them to you guys when we get home. But we are going to go to dinner right now, and then we will see you guys in a sec.
Just got done with dinner. Now, I wanted to take Jaci to a special place. About a week ago, I bought my first skateboard. I've never skateboarded before, and so I'm just learning. I learned to ollie, and then one day Jaci came out and she wanted to ride the board, and she kind of learned to ollie. She did like
No.
I think you did like a little one.
Yeah, I attempted, but I definitely cannot ollie yet. But
Yeah.
it was really fun.
I'm pretty bad too, but we want to learn together. So we're at a skate shop and we're gonna pick out Jaci's first skateboard.
Woo! I honestly never thought that I would like. It's a little bright.
It's fine.
I never thought that I would like really care about that or want to, but I'm actually excited.
Let's go.
Woohoo!
We're looking at decks right now. She's liking those ones up there, the plain.
These just because they're plain and cute colors. I want to show them my new purchase. I bought these shoes, guys. Wait, say Billabong, they're backwards, but I can't switch them. But they're slides and they're so cute. Guys, look at these wheels. They're perfect. I chose the yellow one because that was the only one in my size, but also because I love it. So cute.
Forgot that my board is yellow as well. So we both have yellow boards. That's fun. How does it feel?
Good. I don't know how to skateboard at all.
You look good.
I ride the wrong way. Mongo, is that what you call it?
Yeah.
So I have to like relearn how to even ride it.
The thing is, I did that too. Oh yeah. Yeah, I have to hold her. Yeah. Jeez. Time to go home?
Yeah. Guys, I just watched the video of me falling back and I don't even know how that happened. Like I just kicked the board out from under me and just fell. I feel like that's gonna happen a lot. But Leif, you didn't even save me.
Yeah, I did.
Kind of. My hand's a little
You would have broken your
scratched.
arm
True.
if I wasn't there.
Fun fact, I broke my hand the day after Leif and I got engaged. I don't know if I've ever said that on here, but we were snowboarding and I just landed on my hand weird and broke it. And I could not wear I had to get a cast and I couldn't wear my wedding ring. It was so sad. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. Today is actually Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. So I uploaded all the photos from yesterday to my computer and I culled through them because there were so many. And I picked some favorites. So I'm gonna just show you how I would edit one and then I'm gonna post it to Instagram. I'm just gonna do a like screen recording on my computer so you guys can see the process and hopefully it is helpful or at least interesting to you. Okay, so I imported all the photos and I starred the ones I like down here. And there are so many. Usually there's only one good one that I love, love, love. But there were so many. All of these I really liked. So I've been going through them and I really cannot decide which one I want to edit and post. But I'm just gonna pick one for the sake of editing it for you guys right now. And then I don't know if I'm gonna post that exact one or whatever, but we will see. So I'm gonna edit this one for you guys. I do all my editing in Lightroom and 99.9% of the time, actually pretty much 100% of the time, I'm using the presets that I sell, which are Jaci Marie Cool, Jaci Marie Faded, Warm. Oh, I don't actually think I have my whole preset pack on this computer. I think I only have those three. But for this particular photo, so I'm gonna show you what my normal presets look like. That's Jaci Marie Cool. If I just one click, no adjustments. But I'm actually gonna reset it and I think I'm gonna use this new preset that I have manipulated and created. It is called Jaci Grain. It's more of just like a faded grainy look and I think that's kind of what I want for these pictures and it also works well with direct sunlight. So I'm gonna use the Jaci Grain preset for this photo and as you can see it's a little overexposed, a little blown out. So I'm gonna take the exposure down a tad. And I'm actually gonna take the grain off for a second while I manipulate colors and stuff. The colors honestly look good. I might make it a little more warm, bring the temperature up a tad, just because you guys know I love warm pictures. And I think I'm gonna increase the clarity a tad just to sharpen it up a little bit. But other than that, the colors honestly look pretty good. One thing that I want to do for this picture is I want to make the background more pink because I think that'll just look really cute, especially for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to take this brush right here, and this is a custom brush. You can pick anything, but I'm going to just keep it on the custom. It's pretty much set how I want it, so that works. So to make walls pink, if they're white or a neutral color, you basically just take the tint all the way up. Same if you would want to make the wall green or the wall blue or bluer and then warmer. So, sorry if this video is confusing, but I took the temperature up as well as the tint, and I am just gonna make my brush about this size, and I'm just gonna start painting this pink. A lot of people ask me, like, how are the walls always pink on your feet, or how are they always warm toned? And I mean, I really do find a lot of pink walls, but this is also how. Okay. Just gonna keep going. And if you, you can actually show the mask overlay. If you just click that check mark down there, it helps you to kind of know where it's going. So this is not how pink it's actually going to be. It's just showing me where the brush is going so I can like get more exact. So, oops, got my nose a little there. Make the brush a little smaller and go in this little crack. Okay, now I'm gonna take this off. So I'm gonna unclick that. Whoa, now it doesn't even look that pink, but it is a lot pinker than before. Like it was normally bluish and white, and now it is pink. So that is looking good. I think I'm gonna increase it a little more and a little more there too. And then I'm just gonna hit erase right here and get this little erase brush and erase like on my nose where I got a little pink, and on my fingers right here. And anywhere else where I think it might have bled onto. So I'm good there. I think I'm actually gonna make this little light flare. I wanna make it a little more pink and also a little lighter. So I'm gonna make this brush. I went to the exposure brush, and I'm gonna take the exposure up and just do that. And then I'm actually gonna take the saturation down because it looks a little too red for me. And then I'm gonna boost it up a little pinker. Boost up the temperature a tad. And saturation down even a little more. Okay, I'm gonna actually keep making this more pink. Okay, I'm gonna erase this because I feel like this got a little too blown out in the process. Now I'm gonna add the grain back on. And I'm just gonna go maybe like right there, and I'm gonna actually bring it down a tad. So there you have it. That is how I would post it on Instagram. I'm gonna show you guys the before and the after. So there you go. Sorry this wasn't with one of my current presets, but the process is really similar. I just wanted a more faded look for this one, which is why I picked that, but any of these same things could have been applied to the other presets in my pack. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed that little mini tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of behind the scenes of Instagram. If you guys would want more content like this, let me know. I know it's kind of fun to see behind the scenes. I love seeing that of other people's photos. So let me know. We are headed to Hawaii in like 4 days. So we're gonna be vlogging there, and I'm super excited. This will be our first trip together of 2018. Stay tuned for some fun vlogs and some more stuff coming up. But hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day and a great weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye guys.